Hi students, viewers, previous video part first we have seen some subunits of lesson number second. The lesson name is angle. Now today we continue the lesson angles and we see the some another subunits which has in second lesson angles. Now first we see one activity. The activity are activity. Take a sheet of paper and like a sheet of paper and draw any angle on the sheet of paper. I draw the angle on sheet of paper. Draw any angle on the sheet of paper and give the drawn angle name. I draw a angle on the sheet of paper like as draw any angle on the sheet of paper. Then here the sheet of paper fold one time like as the one side of the another side of angle correctly fall on. Here fold the sheet of paper, one side fall on the another side of the angle. Here like as fold the sheet of paper, one side of angle correctly fall on the another side. Then unfold the sheet of paper. You see here one sign of the folding sign. Like as this is the angle bisector. Now we see angle bisector. An angle bisector. We see here how to get you can understand the angle bisector. Here if you observe carefully the angle bisector, you know causes of the angle bisector. We get two parts of the proper angle. Here this is the angle bisector. Causes of the angle bisector, we get two angles of the proper angles. Here I show the angle bisector on the sheet of paper. This is the angle bisector of angle PQR. Here, if we give name A, here side QA or QA is the angle bisector of angle PQR. Causes of the angle bisector, we get two parts of proper angle. Now we see the how to draw an angle bisector of using the compass. Now we see the next point. The point are to draw an angle bisector. To draw an angle bisector using compass. Using a compass. Here, draw any measures angle. I draw the angle on the blackboard and give the name of drawn angle. On the blackboard, angle L, M, N. Here, we write the angle bisector using the compass. Keep care, if holding the pencil to the compass, that time the metal end of compass and the end of pencil or tip of the pencil have in a same level. Take compass and take any distance in compass and the metal end of compass place on the vertex of angle. Here vertex is the M. Vertex is the M and draw two arcs on the two sides of angle L, M, N. Like as draw two arcs. Causes of the arc or cut of the arc sides. On the sides we get here 2 points, 2 new points. The point's name is, suppose, E, F. Here we get 2 points on the here sides of angle E point and F new points. Then you can take any distance or same distance in compass and place the one of the new point out of the 2 points and draw one another arc. Here the new point which has F point which has side M. The F point place and draw a arc. Then keep care the distance have same. Do not change the distance in compass. Using the same distance, place the middle end another point E which has point side ML of angle LMN and draw another one arc which intersect to drawn previous arc. Here causes of the intersecting, we get here another new point. The point using the scale and vertex of angle, draw a line. The line which has the angle bisector of angle LMN. Here, draw the line. Here, you name the name R Z. Here, side or angle bisector name is MZ. MZ is the angle bisector of angle LMN. Here, if you watch the video that time, pause the video or stop the video and some angle bisector trying to construct the any angle. Then here we see the next point. The next point in lesson angles. The next point are to construct an equal in measure to given angle using a compass. The next point is to construct an angle equal in measure to a given angle using a compass and scale. Now we see the subunit or next subunit or point or concept which has in angles. In question paper or question angle are already given and we can construct the angle equal measure with the given angle. For better understanding, this is the question angle and our answer angle is the measure equal with the angle. Suppose this angle name is X, Y, Z. Here we can construct the angle, same measure with angle X, Y, Z using the compass and ruler. For your better understanding, this is the figure or angle, question angle. Now we construct the answer angle, means answer of this question. The measure of angle are writing. Here, you know any angle has two sides. Out of the two sides, you construct the one side. Like as the construct one side of angle. And you name K L. Then take compass and take any distance in compass and the question angle, the metal end of compass placed on the vertex of angle. Here in this angle x, y, z, y is the vertex placed on the metal end and draw arc like as or like as the continue like as. Then keep care, don't change the distance using the same distance in compass. The metal end of compass, place the origin point of K, the ray KL, which has the one of the side of the our answer angle, and draw like as a arc. Then